Hi, my name's Linsdau. I'm a polar explorer and professional adventurer. Today I'm going to show you how to make an emergency debris and dust mask out of something roughly half the population carries around every day. In an emergency situation, when you need a dust mask, when there's debris, potential contaminants, biologicals out there, and you're in real trouble, if you're a woman and you wear one of these, you actually have something on you that can save you in a pinch. Men, you got to ask the ladies to kind of cut this item up. And what is it? The woman's brassiere or bra. I'm going to show you how to make an emergency dust mask out of that now. So how to make an emergency dust mask out of the common bra. Now, you might say, oh my gosh, that's stupid. Hang on, don't click away. This thing has 2 layers of fabric and foam. It's actually very, very good for filtering dust and debris. If you don't want to cut your bra in half, you gotta be able to hang with that. You simply clip the back clasps here. You put this over your mouth. You tighten the shoulder strap as much as you can. And then you jam the other bra cup inside of there, and you can hold it to your mouth, and in a pinch, this totally works until you can get to safety or you can do something else. Now, if you've got the inclination and you don't care, you can cut this up and rejigger it up, but this totally works as an emergency dust mask to keep yourself safe from preventing later asthma and exposure and toxics and dust and biological problems. Easy as a bra. I hope you found this video useful. I know it was kind of awkward for me, but in a survival situation, you get over stuff real quick because you want to get home. Yeah, it'll make for some messed up photos and people will make fun of you, but you will be alive, and that is the point of this video. My name's Linsdau. I'm a polar explorer and professional adventurer and adapter of very common items. I hope, please like and comment on the video, and if you found it useful, subscribe to my channel.